This solution is loaded with copper, and since the copper is expensive today, and we are recovering here by adding iron pipes. Warning, this um, acid is corrosive and avoid evaporation and contacts. Started reaction here, so we are allowing here few more days to completely recover the copper. After 3 days, uh, the iron pipe has submerged, and as you can see, our solution has increased because I add tap water to dilute solution, and I think all the copper here are completely precipitated. So we clean up this one, and we neutralize the waste solution. So I have already done the video on our channel how to treat this waste solution. So stay watching, and we will melt this one after cleaning. And that's our copper, and we transfer to our steel bucket there. And this is ready for drying, and we collect more. Okay, drying our copper here using our wood charcoal. This is exactly our copper look like. The black here is overcooked. Very nice. Okay, we assemble our torch here. This is furnace torch that I assemble. This is 30 psi regulator, and the gauge here, as you can see. So let's assemble our furnace nozzle. We need to bend this one because there's a stain, and connect the nozzle here from our burner. Okay. Okay, our furnace nozzle is ready, and we check this one for leaks here with dishwashing later. Okay, testing our forge here. Nice. Nice. Awesome. What a nice man. Okay, this is our material here, and our DIY mold, crucible, grab tong, and pour tongs, and inside we have added ceramic aluminum fiber, heat resistant. We insert our forge nozzle here. Okay, and close the valve. Okay, added our copper powder to our crucible. And the lid door. Furnace here. Baby. Okay, on our 30 psi regulator here. We started 10 psi and we increased to 15 later. PSI, okay. We start our furnace here. So, well, hello. We. Oh my god. Wow. What a beautiful bar. So we clean up this one and let's see how it's look. This is our first melt and we need to develop our furnace here. Whoa. So very cool. Nice bar. Maybe 1 kilogram. Nice experiment. There's more slug here. Copper bar. Our DIY mold here is awesome also. After polishing a little bit, this is our melted copper bar. So we make it better next time. But you know, our equipment is all of my effort and that is all DIY. I don't buy anything like special mold and tongs. We make only, and our furnace is our DIY making. So thank you for watching, and we promise next time we make it better. So thank you very much.